Good morning students. Myself Sunil Kumar, your maths teacher. Today I am explaining class 10th chapter 4D and nature of roots about quadratic equation. That means quadratic equations have two roots alpha and beta, and nature of roots depend on the discriminant, and discriminant is b square minus 4ac. So at first you revise again quadratic equation, that is ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. This form of equation is called quadratic equation because the coefficient of x square is a, coefficient of x is b, and constant is c. So a, b and c are real numbers and a never be equal to 0, and that means coefficient of x square never be 0. On the basis of this equation, we find out discriminant equal to d equal to b square minus 4ac. Nature of roots depends upon discriminant. Nature of roots depend करता है आपको discriminant पे. That means it has three cases. When d is greater than 0, d is equal to 0, and d is less than 0. That means in this case d is positive integer. D has positive integer, so it has roots are real and distinct. Real, that means वास्तविक, और distinct, that means भिन्न. That means अलग अलग होंगे इसके रूट्स. So alpha equal to minus b plus root under d by twice a, and beta equal to minus b minus root under d by twice a. But in the second case, when discriminant is 0, that means d equal to 0. Not d equal to 0, that means d equal to 0, not less than 0, not more than 0. So roots are real and equal. So alpha equal to beta equal to minus b by twice a, because the result of d is 0, so when we add 0 in the minus b, no effect on it. Third case, when d is less than 0, that means d is negative integer. So the roots of third case are imaginary. No real roots and no roots, sorry. It has roots are imaginary and no roots. So know any formulas of to find out the roots. On the basis of the nature of the roots, we can solve many problems. Here we take some problems and explain it. Your question is, for what value of k in the given equation, what is the value of k? When we put in it, the roots of the quadratic equation, these are real and equal. That means k चूंकि d here discriminant, here roots are real and equal. So in the case 2, roots are real and equal. That means d equal to 0. That means d equal to 0. So that value of d equal to b square minus 4ac equal to 0. Here we can express this equation at first. Kx x minus 2 root 5 plus 10 equal to 0. So that kx square minus 2 root 5 kx or plus 10 equal to 0. So value of a equal to k, value of b equal to minus 2 root 5k and value of c equal to 10. b, that means minus 2 root 5k the whole square minus 4 into a into 10 equal to 0. That means 4 into 5k minus 40a equal to 0. So that 20k square a equal to k, sorry, it's a k, so 40k, 20k square minus 40k equal to 0. Now we common 20k, so that k minus 2 equal to 0. So that 20k equal to 0, your first form, and the second form is k minus 2 equal to 0. So that k equal to 0 by 20, that means 0, and k minus 2 equal to 0, that means k equal to plus 2. So value of k, value of k, value of k equal to 0 or k equal to 2, and that's your answer. In this way you can solve this type of problems. Many problems I will also explain, just wait for a